Welcome to our IPTV installation tutorial today. Wondering how to install Players Klub IPTV? Finding a trusted IPTV provider can be tricky. In 2025, IPTV providers are everywhere. That's why we recommend 2tv.store. Let's get started with the installation process. First, download the Players Klub app. Locate the app in your device's store. Once downloaded, open the app immediately. Create an account or log in if necessary. Next, enter your subscription details. Get your unique activation code ready. Head back to Players Klub to activate. Once activated, explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with different channels. Remember to check your internet connection. Smooth streaming requires solid bandwidth. If you face issues, contact support. Share your experience with others online. Join the community and stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Together, let's embrace the world of IPTV. Thanks for watching and happy streaming. Leave your comments and suggestions below.